Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Join me in solving this simultaneous equation. Solve the following simultaneous equations by substitution method. So we have 3x plus y is equal to 9, and we also have 2x minus 3y is equal to -5. So we can name this first equation as equation 1, and then this second equation as equation 2. Then we say from equation 1, we have y is equal to 9 minus 3x. So we have expressed y in terms of x. So we can then now substitute this into equation 2, so that we have 2x minus 3y. Remember, y is now 9 minus 3x. So we have into 9 minus 3x, and according to equation 2, this should yield -5. So let us simplify this. We're going to have 2x minus 3 times 9, that is minus 27, -3 times -3x, that is 9x, and this is equal to -5. So we collect like terms so that we have 2x plus 9x is equal to -5 plus 27. So on the left hand side we have 11x is equal to 27 minus 5, that is 22. So we divide both sides of the equation by 11 so that we get the value of x. So our value of x is going to be 2. So now we remember the expression for finding y. We said that y is equal to 9 minus 3x, but we now have the value of x. So this will be 9 minus 3 into 2. So that is the same as 9 minus 6, so that y is equal to 3. So we have the value of x as 2 and the value of y as 3. So we can check if these values of x and y can satisfy either of these equations. So let us try just the first one, that is 3x plus y is equal to 9. Let us try and see if 3x plus y is really equal to 9. So let us substitute. X is 2, so we have 3 into 2 plus y is 3. So we check if this will give us 9. So 3 times 2, that is 6, and 6 plus 3 is actually 9. So it means our solutions are right. So if you have any doubts, you can check if the second equation is satisfied by this pair of solutions. So thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.